So today, everybody, we have come to Weston-super-Mare. So the day begins. We're just about to set off, and what is our first step?
Mackey's, of
Mackey's
course.
for breakfast. Got to get breakfast. Got to fuel up for the day. So yeah, Elena's all set to go back there. So yeah, the weather's nice. It's got to be 19 degrees, I believe. So yeah, not quite as warm as it may have been, but it's all good. So yeah, let's get going. Breakfast time, and you've got
Sausage sandwich and a hash brown and a coffee lime, of course.
Of course, and then we've got a sausage sandwich, hash brown, and a McGriddle for me. Yum yum yum. Here we go. So nice POV shot with a new camera. Walking down the promenade. How cool is this? So yeah, hopefully the mic picks up the audio. I've got the little wind cover thing on as well. It seems to be picking up well. So yeah, hopefully, as it's not too windy, be able to fly the drone as well in a bit. It's a little bit windy, but it should be okay. It's a nice open beach, as you can see. So yeah, we'll hopefully get some stuff. I think we're going to head up. What's the plan?
Don't know. We're just going to have a chill day at the seaside.
Nice. So we're heading up towards the pier at the moment, and we'll see what's up there. Oh, here comes a tractor. And there he's going. Probably onto the beach, I'm guessing. Good luck to that, mate. To the traffic. There's a lot of cars parked along here now. So it's currently 11 o'clock, it's not that busy. However, there's seeing more and more cars appearing every second. So I imagine, give it not too long and it will be...
Yeah, the time at the right time, I'd say.
I wonder what this was. Obviously there's toilets in there, but... Obviously it's all those... maybe it's been refurbished or something. Called Tropicana, and there's a kiosk and a cafe. Yeah, maybe it's just been refurbished. Anyone know? Let us know. Looks like quite a cool building. It's a beach cafe or something by the looks of it. Almost like a mini pier.
Might be where your mum told me to go.
Could be. Imagine places are quite expensive, but you never know. We'll have a look. Because yeah, we'll probably end up having some sort of fish and chips of some description, or probably Wetherspoons. So how's Elena enjoying it so far? Hey, you having fun? That answers the question about what that is. Revo Golf. What is Glow Golf? Glow in the dark golf? On-site bakery. Nice. I have to have a look in there later. Oh dear, someone's not a fan of the sun cream. It's got to be done though.
Mummy cream up now.
Nice. Yeah, some idiot left the adult sun cream in the car. So... I think this will do the job, won't it?
Probably be better on my pasty skin.
Now we're going to go and have a look at the Grand Pier. Very nice. So, Western capitalism at its finest there. We just paid £2 each, thankfully not for Elena, to come onto the Grand Pier. But I suppose it keeps these things going, blah, blah, blah. But still, £4. Shh. Being a tight-ass granddad paying £4 to go on a pier. Oh well. At least the train would be free if we did that. Oh, it's like the uneven floor. Oi. Another little Adam mode. Why do people insist on walking 1 inch from your arse when they're behind you? It's wide enough. Go round me. Urgh. This is nice though. So I've been seeing later when the tide goes out, just how far it goes, because I don't remember coming here since a kid, but apparently the tide goes out very far. Approaching the main building, 2010. Is that when it was rebuilt, I'm guessing? It's obviously not that much newer than that. Oh, look at that piece of locomotion. Eat your heart out, steam trains. Stupidly realised I had the footage of D-Log M again, so I try and colour grade that earlier stuff. Switch it back to normal now. And here's Lorna in her happy place. Lorna's in her, okay, that's pretty cool. Like a little like drop tower sort of thing.
There's a ghost train.
Ghost train. Okay, there's quite a few cool things in here. Is that like a go-kart track up there?
Yeah.
Okay, this is pretty cool, I'll give you that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Elena going on her first ride. Wow. Oh. Wow. Wow. Do you like it? Way! Talk to mommy. Ah. Whee! Wow! I bet you're gutted now, aren't you?
Very quiet.
Oh, no way. I think we'll stick to the Grand National. We've been conned by this machine. We've already picked the winner a few times and it's not paying out. Oh, yeah. Stick to the Grand National. Did you pick red? Oh, no. Two's won it. What a swizz. We're having a go at this demolition zone thing. Hit the oil tank to explode, hit the fireworks box, don't hit the workers. Destroy the furniture. We'll have to get a bit more welly than that. Aim for the oil drum down the bottom. The oil drum, get the oil drum, yes. Oh, you missed the furniture. Oil drum, yes. Oil drum left. Ah. Oh. Give me more welly. Right. Oil drum. Oil drum. Don't hit the man. Get the TV. The chair. Get the chair. Hit the treasure box. Top right, you need to call an attendant, there's no tickets in it. Top right. I don't care. I don't care. What was your score? You still filming? Rematch time. See if you can beat my score. Hit the barrel, hit the barrel, hit the barrel. Is that better than my score?
No, you can't. I think you.
Yeah. It's like a mirror maze, isn't it? Oh. So what's up here? There's some sort of probably out of order. It's like a mini, some mini Victus, mini Maelstrom. Oh no! Oh no! Next time, next time. I believe this is actually a go-kart track that's up here, which is pretty cool. Not the sort of thing you usually see up here, but you know, why not? Why not? Love a bit of behind-the-scenes stuff stored up there. See how few tickets we've got then.
Some people have got like 100.
Yeah, we've got like.
I think not even 100.
Oh no, you'll break 100.
Just about.
Oh, you broke it. Oh dear. Wow. 130. Oh no, there's a few more. Oh, you get to 150.
I've sold these off the floor.
Hey, 150. You broke it, you broke it, you broke it. Oh, she's broke it. Look at these dinosaurs up here as well. This is quite cool. Oh, what do you think of the dinosaurs? What do you think of the dinosaurs? Oh.
This is where they put the little Easter egg one.
Oh yeah, that's quite cool. Funny glow karts. I'm gonna look at this slide here. Now that is cool. That's what you want. Forget your silly go karts. That is a big slide. You going on it?
No.
Oh. That's like a mini golf, which is quite cool. So that was Weston-super-Mare Grand Pier. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, that little army note under the dinosaur. Did a bit of research and the dam couldn't let it go. And it used to be like a robotic arm, sort of spinning ride. So I'll try and put a picture in. I've just Googled it. So between me and my old friend ChatGPT, we figured it out. Because yeah, it was going to annoy me all day otherwise. So yeah, did you have fun in there?
Oh, that's brilliant. Really fun. And Elena got to go on her first ride. Not sure she enjoyed that one.
No,
It
not.
was cute to see her on it.
And now the most important part of the day, lunchtime. Just going to go and find the Wetherspoons. Nice bit of architecture here. The pavilion restaurant. No, it didn't seem to be open though.
I reckon
It's
it's just
unusual.
open at the moment.
Maybe.
The bar. This is bar and restaurant.
Yeah, maybe. It's turned to a lovely day now and nice and busy. Are you at the pub? Are you having for your dinner? Oh. Let's see who are Wetherspoons' most important part of the day. This is your classic Wetherspoons, built across multiple levels. Toilets are a mile walk away, so yeah, classic. So yeah, I'm starving. I think Lorna's getting Elena a pizza and some chips, so let's see if she likes it. Vegan Mediterranean pizza. Where's your sockets on your head? Where's your sock on your head? Are you showing off to the camera? Are you showing off to the camera? Put your sock back on your head. Ta. Ta. I got it. I got it. Ah. Give me your foot. Try your pizza. Oh dear, oh, somebody's not keen on a pizza. Oh dear. You got your ice cream.
Yeah.
There we go. And look who's got a hat.
I don't like it very much.
No, you don't like your hat, do you, cheeky monkey? And I got a salted caramel milkshake made with the same ice cream. Oh yes. Oh yeah. And it looks like the excitement was just too much for Elena. She fell asleep as she was walking back to the beach. With this hat on all skewiff. Oh, you're going to wake up and go on the beach? Oh. At least Lorna's having fun, even though Elena's asleep, building sandcastles. Hopefully she'll wake up in a moment. So we're now having a lovely sit down on the beach. Elena's still asleep because, not sure what's going on with her. She must just love being outside that much. So, yeah, it's been a good day so far. A little bit gutted because it turns out you can't actually fly the drone on the beach, which kind of makes sense when it's this busy. We were hoping to find a quieter spot, but by North Somerset Council don't allow you to. Spoil sports, but oh well. So, yeah, we'll chill here for a bit. Once Elena wakes up, we'll get her on the sand, see what she thinks. Look who's awake. Oh. You put your feet in the sand, see what you think. Wow. Whoa. Oh.
You go. What's this?
Wow.
Digging. Look.
Wow. Don't eat the sand.
Don't eat it. Elena. Hey. Hello. Elena. Hey. Don't eat it. Elena.
Hey. Sand all on your face now. Whee. Oh, you're having fun in the sand. Yeah. Elena. Elena. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's his hand. Yeah, that's it. Oh, that's better. Yay! Did you like that? Yay! Oh, you enjoying yourself now? Oh, you fully woke up. Whoa! You little mucky. It's okay, Mum will hoover all the sand out of the car. Ha 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 ha. Someone's woke up now. She's off on an adventure. You woke up now, haven't you? Hey. You've rubbed out where I wrote your name with your butt. Oh dear. What are we going to do with you?
Hey, so that's us leaving Weston now. It has been a brilliant day. The weather's shone bright for us all day. We've been to the arcade, we've been to Wetherspoons, we've sat on the beach, we've had ice cream, and Adam had a milkshake. And Elena absolutely loved the sand. I wasn't sure she was going to like it because it's the first time we've actually put her on the beach, but she loved it and she was crawling all over the place, playing in the sand, trying to eat it as well, typically, but she had the best time. So we're going to head home now, just trying to miss the rush hour traffic, hopefully, because it is a weekday. And we're going to stop at the services. I don't know what we'll do there, but yeah, we're going to stop at the services. Maybe Adam might have something to eat or something, who knows. But yes, if we don't come back to you, that's it then, and we'll see you soon. Bye.